At first, open Pinalysis.com in your browser, then go to our Top Pins tool page and enter your keyword into the search box. You can also select from the Pinterest auto-suggested keywords that appear in the box.
Next, you'll see an interface showing ranked pins. Here, you'll find the pin image, view button, source website link, rank number, creation date, reactions, repin count, profile followers count, and even the dominant colors of each pin. You can also sort the results by these values.
Here's a hidden gem. You'll be able to see all the tagged annotations of ranked pins. Just hover your mouse over any pin image and a details modal will open automatically. There you'll find full details of that pin. The most important part is the related keywords and ideas section. Use these in your new pin titles and descriptions to get a better ranking.
Now here comes our unique feature, AI Analyze. With just one click, you will get a complete blog post outline, 2 fresh pin titles, descriptions, and even ready-made AI image prompts to create pins instantly. The best part? This entire plan is generated from the top-ranked pins data. In the past, we had to research everything manually, but in the Pinalysis era, it's all possible in just one click and within a minute.